Alright. Here we go. Box numero uno. Just don't want to, like, damage box. Nobody cares that you're Blake Meyer. Alright. Box numero uno. Come on, give it to me. Alright, up first, we got J.J. Watt, 46 out of 99 for the base. I'm just going to put them back in the boxes for now. There we go. Marquise Lee, 2 out of 2. Player Caps NFL Shield for the Jags. Let's see, who was the Jags? Mike M. There you go. 2 of 2. I don't know if you can... I'd pee myself if I pulled a Buchanan 1-on-1. Next up, Giovanni Bernard, 17 out of 25 for the Bengals. Bengals, Shane. Alright. Next, I got a veteran, 22 out of 29. Eric Dickerson. For the good old Rams, that was Chris S. There you go, buddy. Yeah, the 2-color, the nice ancient screen press. Oh no. 1 out of 99. Taj Boyd. We've been Boyded. Jets. It's also Chris S. There's a little bit of stitching in there. You can't see any other color. But next hit is pretty good. Also for the Rams, Marshall Faulk, 10 out of 10. On card, a little bit of stitching, patch. See, we're in Chris S. So Chris is making out like a bandit so far, but and there's not really any streaking like there can be with Faulks every now and then. Alright, 1 down. 2 to go. Yeah, Rams. And the Rams are one of the teams that, like, nobody would take. Got base Tom Brady, 49 out of 99. Let's see, pass Dale. There you go, Dale. Next up, Kelvin Benjamin, player Caps, 48 out of 49. Let's see, Panthers, Chris S. Chris is cleaning up so far. We got a quad. Now I gotta random this off. Andre Williams, Anthony Thomas, Eric Ebron, Austin Seferian-Jenkins, 69 out of 99. Let's see, Giants was Cameron. Chiefs, and there's Matt. Lions, we got Chris S. And Seferian-Jenkins. Buccaneers, we got John K. So that'll get randomed off a little bit later for you guys. Ooh. Kelvin Benjamin on card. 12 out of 49. Jersey auto. And his auto actually stays on the card. There we go. Let's see, like I said, Panthers, Chris S. Cleaning up. Not the defensive back I wanted. Jason Verrett, 30 out of 49, rookie ink. Chargers was Chris S. It's got a nice auto, though. And Chris Borland. Alright, so this guy gets an on-card, and Dayon Buchanan doesn't. 36 out of 49. There you go, Mike. Got the ball rolling for you, so. Alright, box number 3. Now this is the third box. I'll be recapping it at the end. Ooh, we got something fat in here. Alright. Base. We got Tony Romo, 22 out of 29. Cowgirls. There you go, Mike. Oh no. Why did we get 2 base? That's the gold. Ryan Matthews, 1 out of 25. Yeah, I know. For the Chargers. Then we got player caps, Brandon Cooks. 14 out of 49 for the Saints. Saints is Chris S. again. And then, alright, I'll get the points out of the way. 400 points. Yip-de-doo. Yip-de-doo. Alright, we'll save that one for the end. So we got Jarvis Landry, 26 out of 49. 2-color patch auto. And yeah, the points was 400. I mean, we're getting the big names when we are hitting the patches. Robert Herron, 7 out of 49 for the Bucks. And Immaculate 4s, 3 out of 10. Bishop Sankey, Carlos Hyde, Terrence West, Trey Mason. Alright, so let's see who's that. Titans, we got Chris S. Niners, we got Mike W. Browns, we got Brent. And Rams, we got Chris S. So, like I said, that is 3 out of 10. Alright, I'll go recap boxes real quick.
What's up, son?
Nothing. Alright, so first box we had Marshall Faulk, 10 out of 10 patch auto. Taj Boyd, patch auto, 1 out of 99. Eric Dickerson, acetate, 22 out of 29. Giovanni Bernard, 17 out of 25. Immaculate, yeah, it's just a standard. Got the Marquise Lee, 2 out of 2. NFL Shield from the player worn caps. And J.J. Watt, 46 out of 99. Box number 2, Chris Borland, 36 out of 49 on card. Jason Verrett, 30 out of 49. Rookie ink. Kelvin Benjamin, 22 out of 49. Jersey auto. Got the quad, Andre Williams, DeAnthony Thomas, Safarian Jenkins, Ebron, 69 out of 99. Got more player caps, 48 out of 49, Kelvin Benjamin. And Brady, 49 out of 99. Yes, there is a Chief. So, and then, of course, the crap. 400 points in the last box. The Immaculate 4s with Sankey, Hyde, West, and Mason. That's 3 of 10. Got Robert Heron, 7 out of 49. We got Jarvis Landry, two-color patch auto, 26 out of 49. Brandon Cooks, player caps, 14 out of 49. And then gold parallel, 1 out of 25, Ryan Matthews. And Tony Romo, 22 out of 29. Alright guys, I will, like I said, I'll get the multi-team cards randomed off. I'll do that while this video is uploading. Thanks guys.